First tower, good evening, Etihad 487, ready for takeoff.
Air 47 Perth Tower, go. And X-ray uniform Foxtrot to maintain the gap behind for the next departure, if you can just make best speed down final.
X-ray from Foxtrot.
No, sorry, it was our best speed down final, thanks.
From Foxtrot.
X-ray uniform Foxtrot, wind 130 degrees 5 knots, runway 03, clear to land.
Runway 03, clear to land, X-ray uniform Foxtrot.
Car 7, thanks, hold short, runway 03.
Runway 03, contact.
Etihad 487, line up, runway 03.
Line up and wait, runway 03, Etihad 487.
Tag and Agent 943, ready.
Check 943, Perth Tower, g'day, continue approach runway 03. There is a heavy to depart.
Genix 943.
34 Foxtrot, thanks for your help.
No worries.
Course 54 Perth Tower, g'day. Etihad 487, runway 03, cleared for immediate takeoff.
For immediate takeoff, Etihad 487, thanks.
Genix 943, wind to 120 degrees 9 knots, tailwind 2 knots, runway 03, cleared to land.
03, clear to land, Genix 943.
Course 584, line up and wait, runway 06, traffic landing on the crossing runway.
Lining up and landing runway.
Air 47, contact departures, g'day.
Thanks, sir, 487.
Whiskey Bravo Alpha, Perth Tower, g'day.
Perth Tower, good evening, Singapore 214 Heavy, ready, turn.
Singapore 214 Heavy, Perth Tower, g'day. GX943, vacate on Juliet 2, hold short, runway 06, traffic departing.
Alpha Juliet 2, hold short 06, GX943.
Cross 584, runway 06, cleared for takeoff.
06, Perth Tower, netlink 1643.
Netlink 1643, Perth Tower, g'day, continue approach runway 03, number 2.
Netlink 1643.
Netlink 1643, wind 120 degrees, 8 knots, runway 03, cleared to land.
Oh, 03, clear to land, netlink 1643.
Singapore 224, line up runway 03.
Line up runway 03, Singapore 214.
Netlink 1643, thanks for your help. Singapore 214, runway 03, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 03, Singapore 214. Perth Tower, g'day, Delta, Yankee Delta,
Good evening, Delta, Perth Tower, g'day, wind 120 degrees, 8 knots, continue approach, runway 03, heavy rolling.